Good morning. It's good to be back once again. Today, I am going to talk about the dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, the reason being is that the greenback has regained traction in last few sessions, and that's why I think buying the dollar yen would be a good strategy in this week and also coming weeks, because the dollar I think is going to be supported by several reasons. The dollar index has rebounded strongly in the last few weeks, and also the U.S. Treasury yields have also rebounded, so that would support the dollar against the yen in particular. And furthermore, the broad-based rise in global stocks due to continued progress in the U.S.-China trade talks, I think is going to boost risk sentiment. So that would lead to more yen selling. And looking ahead, this week, on Friday, we are going to see the release of the most important economic data in the world. So that is the U.S. non-farm payrolls. And market expecting a decent number. So if the actual reading comes in better than market forecast, together with a slight upward revision to the last month's number. So if that's is the case, then we will see further dollar buying on the back of this robust data. So I think that we are going to buy the dollar ahead of the Friday's figure in anticipation of further dollar gain. So let's look at the daily dollar yen chart. You can see from the chart is that although the dollar suffered a so-called flash crash at the beginning of January to a 9-month low at 104.79, since then, price has paired the losses that we've seen earlier, and it hit a high at 112.14 at the start of March. And although that we saw a pullback to 109.71 last Monday, price has since risen strongly on the back of rising treasury yields. So my recommendation this week is to buy the dollar yen on pullback to 111.1020. Currently, the currency pair is trading at 111.33, and the target I'm aiming for would be 114.20. That's November's high. And a daily close above 112.14 would lend credence to this bullish outlook. And looking ahead, if we can close above 114.55, then the further gain to 117 or even 118 may be seen in the coming months, possibly in June or July. And on the downside, in the event that the dollar is unable to penetrate 112.14 and goes below 110.50, probably a weaker than expected jobs data may be the catalyst for such a move. Then my bullish scenario would be put in question, because the downside risk would increase for a possible weakness towards 109.70. So this is this downward scenario is not the one I would opt for. So my recommendation again is to buy the dollar yen and for further gains in the coming days and weeks ahead. Okay, so that's my take on the dollar yen. Good luck and goodbye.